this new AI tool that's going to be a big player for making faceless content. You know how tough it can be to create short videos on topics like life lessons, moral stories, or motivational content, right? Even when you use tools like ChatGPT and 11 Labs, you still spend a lot of time editing. I used to use Midjourney to make every single picture for my videos, and let me tell you, it took me 8 hours to finish just one. That's when I realized this wasn't sustainable. But I kept seeing other channels getting millions of views, and I thought, there has to be an easier way. I needed a tool to help me make videos in just a few minutes. I have a full-time job, and YouTube is just a side project. I don't want it to interfere with my work. Then I found this new AI tool. It helps me create videos for my channel from start to finish. It does everything, from writing the script to creating pictures, adding voiceovers, captions, sound effects, and background music. It's called Zebracat. You can even run multiple channels in different niches without worrying about how much time you have in a day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make short videos for YouTube or TikTok using this tool. All the videos it makes are unique, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues. Monetizing can be tricky, especially if you're worried about using copyrighted or reused content. But with Zebracat, every video is new, so you can make money without any stress. All right, let's go through the steps. First, you need to sign up. They have 3 plans. The free plan lets you upload 5 videos a month. The Cat Mode plan is $20 a month, allowing up to 50 videos a month. And the Super Cat plan is $68 a month for 300 videos. And here's the good news. You don't have to pay for the whole year up front. You can try it for a month and see how it works. I think the Cat Mode plan is the best deal. For $20 a month, you can make up to 50 videos. That's a great way to reach 1,000 subscribers quickly. If you want to try it for free, just click the link in the description. Thinking about running multiple YouTube channels? It's super easy. Zebracat has a styles option where you can set up different styles for each channel. So if you have one channel for motivational videos and another for life lessons, you can easily make a series for each. It's a great way to grow your faceless channels fast. Let's see if Zebracat is worth it by making a video. First, click Create Video. You have 3 options: turn a prompt into a video, turn a URL into a video, or turn a script into a video. I'll choose prompt to video. Here, you just type in the idea for the video you want to make. For example, 3 lessons you need to remember to be successful in your career. Then, set a few things like the video format. If you want to make short videos for TikTok or Instagram, choose 9:16. If you want to create for YouTube, choose 16:9. Next, choose the voiceover. Picking the right voice is important. It can help your video go viral. I'm picking Adam because his voice is deep and powerful.
Adaptability is key. The world changes fast.
It's great for grabbing people's attention. You can also choose the language. Zebracat offers over 100 languages, so if you're targeting a specific audience, you can pick the right one. For a global audience, English is always a safe choice. After that, choose the AI visuals. I want it to look super realistic. Once you've set everything up, hit generate, and boom. Your video is ready in just 3 to 5 minutes. Now, let's see what Zebracat created. Let's play it.
Want to skyrocket your career success? Remember these 3 lessons. First,
Wow, I didn't expect it to turn out like that. If you've watched my other videos, you know how hard it can be to get AI-generated images to match a script perfectly. But this tool, it nailed it. Every image was spot on, the captions looked great, and the sliding animations were smooth. They even got the zoom transitions right and added sound effects that fit perfectly. If you don't like the script, no worries. Just hit the voice button, make your changes, and bam, you get a whole new script. Let's try another video. This time with a motivational story. I'll go to Pinterest, find a motivational story script, and paste it into script to video. Now I'm going to pick the right AI voice. This first one seems great for a motivational vibe. I'll choose it, keep the language in English, and start creating the video. Let's see what we've got.
Ever felt like giving up when everyone doubted you? Imagine being told there's no hope. 2 frogs fell into a deep pit. The crowd said they'd never make it out. One frog gave up and perished. But the other? He ignored the naysayers and kept jumping. The secret? He was deaf. He thought they were cheering him on. Believe in yourself, no matter the noise around you. Ready to overcome any obstacle? Start your journey now.
Wow, the images and voice were perfect. So if you have a great script and just want to turn it into a video, Zebracat is a must-have. If you're looking to speed up your video creation and don't have much time for editing, this tool is definitely worth trying. In my next video, I'll show you some great, low-competition, faceless niches to make money on YouTube. Click here to check it out.